Tired of siloed testing and reporting? Let's dive into how connecting Jira and Qtest via integration can drastically improve your team's collaboration. We'll show you how to link bug reports to test cases for crystal clear traceability and reporting. First, we'll look into the integration procedure and how it works. The first step is setting up the integration within your Qtest project. Navigate to the integration section. Usually found in the project settings, select Jira from the available options and follow the setup prompts. This typically involves entering your Jira URL, username, and password, along with other specific configurations. After configuring the integration settings in Qtest, it's time to configure the integration within your Jira project. To allow communication, you will need to perform these steps, and the integration of both applications is now set up and can communicate with each other. Now the magic happens. Let's link a bug report in Jira to a test case in Qtest. Open your bug report in Jira. Somewhere on the bug report details, you will have the ability to link to a test case, which will show options to select a test case already created in Qtest or allow you to link a new test case. Back in Qtest, open your test case. You will now clearly see the linked Jira bug report directly within the test case details. You can also verify that the link is working from here. Any updates in one tool or reflected in the other, saving you tons of time and effort. Now, the power of integrated reporting. You can generate reports that seamlessly combine data from both Qtest and Jira. This provides a comprehensive view of your testing efforts, making it easier to track defect trends, assess test coverage, and ultimately improve your product's quality. By integrating Jira and Qtest, you build a bridge between testing and development, ensuring everyone works on the same page. Integrate today and empower your team to build higher quality products. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials.